Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix TikTok direct message option not showing. This kind of error occur when you put your birth date below 16 years and you put your age under 16. If you have not put your age under 16 and you are still facing the problem, then I will tell you the solution. So without wasting any time, let's go to the solution. First of all, you have to close the TikTok. After that, you have to open your settings. After opening settings, you have to click on apps or application manager. After that, you have to scroll down and you can easily find TikTok app. You have to click on that. After that, you have to click on storage and you have to clear the cache of your TikTok app. After doing that, what you have to do is you have to uninstall your TikTok app and again install it so that this problem can be solved. After doing all that and you are still facing the problem, then I will tell you the solution which will work for you, which is as you have to click on profile. After that, you have to click on three lines. In three lines, you have to click on settings and privacy. After that, you have to scroll down and you have to click on report a problem. Report a problem. Here you have to explain the TikTok team that what is the problem behind it. You can explain that problem to TikTok team that what kind of problem you are facing. Here you have to describe the problem to TikTok team that I am facing that problem. For this you have to paste that description I have already written, which is as I am facing the problem of direct message option in which is not showing. Even I am above the age of the TikTok age restriction criteria. Kindly solve this problem for me as soon as possible. Moreover, you can also attach screenshot of the problem. After doing all that, you can click on submit and your problem will be submitted to TikTok team and within few days your problem will be solved. Hope you have liked this video.